Today I am sewing on buttons for all the baby dresses that I am packing for my baby, my granddaughter Bethany. Grandma's coming, Bethany. Grandma's coming, Bethany. Da-na-na-na-na. So I'm sewing on all the buttons today. Yep, this one needs a button. This one, sorry for the shade, this one has, oh, button's done, okay. This one, Grandma's packing her suitcase to bring Bethany some pretty, pretty, pretties. Button on, good, 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 good. That's that cute little skirt set that I made, and the little vest. No buttons required on that. That's the little lovey. And that's the blankie. What do I have here? Does this one need a button? I forget now. Oh, button done. Let's see about this one. Oh, I need a button on this one. I need a button on that one. What's going on here? Oh, that's the sailor dress that I love so much. Oh, I know everything looks wild in here because I'm packing, guys. I'm packing to see my granddaughter, guys. Oh my God, it's actually happening. Oh, there's that cute little skirt. Cute little skirt. Oh, and this thing. This thing that I made. You guys remember the video that I made this? Oh my God. I've got videos. I've done videos on all this stuff, guys. All this stuff. There's that. What is this blanket? But that makes a nice little set. Where'd that go? So there's the blanket. There's the vest. The vest. And the little skirt. Oh my goodness. And then a lovey. Well, I have to buy her a little toy to put in the lovey when I'm there, I guess. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to today, guys. Super duper excited. Oh, that's a pretty button, isn't it? Super duper excited. Oh, Bethany, I can't wait to meet you for the very first time. Okay, guys, I'm going to start crying. I'm going to start crying. I'm going to have to go. So, yeah, I'm packing up and, oh my God. I hope this one still fits her because this was, I believe this was my, I don't know if this was my first one I ever made or not, but I love this one so much. This hat is probably not going to fit her. I don't care. I'm bringing it anyway. Oh my God. Okay, so buttons for these, buttons for these, buttons, buttons. I need to sew on buttons. Oh, guys, I'm shaking and vibrating. October 5th, I'll be in the sky. I'll be in the sky. Do I need buttons on these? I think so, eh? These won't fit her for a while. Yeah, she's 6 months old today, guys. She is 6 months old today. Oh, yeah. Oh, the sailor one. I think that's for a... Oh, my God, I love this one so much. I can't believe I made this. You guys, go watch all my videos because I've made these dresses a lot when I first started crocheting. Oh, God, I'm not showing it very well, but you can watch all my videos. Oh, my God, I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you go. I'm crying. October 5th, guys, I'll be in the air. Pray for me. Oh, God, love you all. Bye.